Welcome to Learn Redis with Python and Django, a hands-on course where you'll discover how to use Redis to supercharge your Django applications with speed, scalability, and real-time features. My name is Anna, and I'm your instructor for this course as we work through Redis from the ground up. In this course, we'll explore Redis fundamentals like keys, strings, hashes, list sets, and then apply them to build real-world Django projects. You'll also learn how to work with Docker, Django REST Framework, and Django Ninja to build modern scalable backend systems. This course is perfect for Python or Django developers who want to add Redis to their toolbelt, or anyone curious about building fast, real-time web features using battle-tested technologies. You'll gain practical Redis skills you can apply immediately in your own apps. To get started, you'll need some basic Python knowledge. No prior experience with Redis is required. We'll guide you step by step through everything you need to know. Now, this course is part of a free playlist available on YouTube. Now, for those looking for a deeper and complete course, including extended lessons, projects, and resources, this course is also available on Udemy. All the links and materials are provided in the video description.